RSI is one of the most powerful indicators I love to use all the time. And there are two sections of RSI, the overbought zone and the oversold zone. This oversold zone represents the last bus stop for sellers. The overbought zone represents the last bus stop for buyers. Whenever the price action is at the oversold zone, what happens? Price will always buy to the upper side. Whenever the price action is also at the overbought zone, the price action will sell as well. Let's check another example. When sellers push the price action down to this oversold zone, what happens? The price action bought. When sellers push it down to this place again, the price action bought. Another example, when buyers push the price action to the overbought zone, what happened? The sellers took charge of the market. Oversold zone, sellers sold. Oversold zone, market sold. These four price action circuits are valid and they are very strong. Candlesticks, engulfing, momentum, Fibonacci, and RSI. These are the four price action circuits that I use all the time to make money in the market every week. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.